All right, you all, Triple Play Saturday number 3. Let's do this. Okay, you all, this is going to conclude the Triple Play Saturday. This is round 3. Now, the name of this watch face is called OW Dart Digital. It's a 24-hour watch face. It looks like a dartboard, but it looks pretty good. It's got some animation going on with it. And always on mode, it's just going to be dimmed down in a darkened mode, but you're still going to get the same design, same look. So I thought this was really unique, and it kind of looks like a spider web too at the same time. Not bad at all. If you take a look at the lines are animated, kind of like they're being used as second hands, right? And you have the name of the watch right here. You also get your digital time, and you also get all your step info, and it is interactive. So if I tap there, I can go into it. I tap right here on the time. I could set an alarm. I thought that was a good look, and you can customize the color of this one. I thought it was pretty slick. I thought it looked pretty good. Let's look and see how it looks on, yes, on the Gear Sport. Not bad. Not a bad look at all. I think the developer did a real good job with this watch face. The design, steps so far outside the box, is going to grab some attention. This is definitely a good look. What do you think, you all? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the lineup for today, Triple Play Saturday. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.